His Royal Highness the Sultan of Johor, Sultan Ibrahim Ibni Almarhum Sultan Iskandar, led a coral restoration program that involved the planting of 1,200 corals in the waters of Metinggi Island near the Pulau Tinggi Marine Park in Mersing today. The program made it into the Malaysia Book of Records as the largest coral reef restoration initiative in the country to date. Tuanku Sultan made the dive along with 3 other groups of divers to complete the planting of the corals in 20 PVC structures.
Kita kena didik generasi yang akan datang, jangan cemarkan pulau-pulau yang mana terletak di bawah taman laut.
This is Hari Shrin and Razi Zikri reporting for the Royal Press Office.